Roger that. Here we go. You're incredibly savvy with spy hardware. For civilians, that is. Roger that. Here we go.
PG tonight. In excess.
That's right. You will go the same phase as of the last video. And shush a shush.
Go to your room right now and dial wash your mouth with like this soap later again.
Okay everyone, today is report card day. I'll be passing out report cards, but first, I'll explain what the average grades on your report cards mean. Between 100 to 96, it's an A. 95 to 87, it's a B. 86 to 83, it's a C. 82 to 74, it's a D, right? And 73 to 66, 65 to 61, 60 to 52, 51 to 47, 46 to 39, 38 to 31, 30 to 22, 22 to 11, 10 to -3, it's an F. I'll be passing out report cards right now.
Yes. I got a 98 and Katie Cat got a 97.
Good job Sunny Funny and Katie Cat. Go to the principal's office to claim it.
Oh, thanks, sir. I got a 24. Can I have another chance?
Stay calm, Tailsland Comedian. You know Rowney got an F.
Yeah. Oh no! Oh god! Oh no, it's so scary down here.
It is. We're not supposed to be down here, Eric.
Oh yeah, this is for maintenance only.
We are breaking the continuity of our bowling expedition.
Y'all should not do that.
Oh no, there's lava coming down now.
Lava in the bowling alley.
Oh god, I hear zombies.
Yeah, there's a skeleton coming after it. Oh, there's a creeper.
Oh jeez. Oh ow. This is a whole new kind of adventure map.
Lane 1 will likely no longer work.
Just lane 1?
Oh god. Oh god.